Hello, what's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to give you a short explanation about this. So, here's a question: how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase and transfer to bank account for cash? Well, now I'll give you step by step to do all these things, okay? Well, here's it. Here's the answer. Well, to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase and transfer the funds to your bank account in 2026, it's pretty recent. Well, you can follow these steps. First, to sell Bitcoin for cash, open the Coinbase app and tap buy sell, obviously. Select sell and choose Bitcoin, BTC, and then you can enter the amount and select your local currency balance. For example, you can choose US dollar as a destination. You can either choose like Great Britain pound sterling or other currency that you want, and then tap sell. Now you complete the trade. Awesome. All right, that's set to sell the Bitcoin for cash. And here is the step to transfer to bank. All right, first you go to your cash balance. You can choose either US dollar, euro, or pound sterling. Pound sterling. Well, and then tap cash out or withdraw, and then enter the amount you choose your linked bank account. Awesome. And then you can select the speeds of your money, how fast you can get the money. So first option, you can have the standard. It will take 1 to 5 days. Usually it's free. Well, I highly suggest you, if you are not really in a hurry, you can choose this 1 to 5 days. But if you want a immediately, you can choose instant. It will send to you in minutes. Requires a fee, typically about 2%. Okay, I highly suggest you to choose standard. But if the condition um, required to you must have it right away, then you can choose instant. Well, then the very last step of it is to confirm the withdrawal, and that's it. All right, here's a big note. I mean, yeah, it's interesting. It's informational. You need to know about this, okay? Now, if you using the Coinbase Wallet self-custody, you must first send the BTC to your Coinbase.com account before you can sell it for cash. So that is a short explanation I can give you about how you can sell the Bitcoin for cash and transfer it to your bank account. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.